course. I'm Kiran Kaur. This course is curated specially for the special needs people. For instance, autism, people with autism, asperger, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and etc. Let's hear from this.
Why should you join this course? The special needs people are often labeled as being incapable. They are often sidelined in the community. However, they have a lot of hidden potential which only needs to be discovered and guided correctly. This is where you need the right tutoring and the right course to see them do wonders in life. They are not disabled, but instead are differently abled. The purpose of this course is to enable them to gain digital technology skills and become independent, not needing any donations to sustain. Now, there is something unique here. Upon successful completion of this course, you may liaise with us. We shall allocate you an assignment or work in projects which are currently being undertaken by us and get paid accordingly. But firstly, you will need to provide evidence of being a special needs person. Note, this course is subsidized at a lower rate just for special needs people. View our website, infinitemindsacademy.com, and our Facebook page on the projects done by special needs people only. The whole world is moving towards digitalization. Why should the special needs people be left behind? We hope you enjoy and learn from this course.